breakfast vending machine is coming. We can sell both hot and cold food with this machine and offer more comprehensive service to our customers. With professional item conveying device, patented fast microwave heating technology, this machine gives customers better shopping experience. Large display window to search items directly. Professional item conveying device takes items from cabin to pickup door. Patented fast microwave heating technology, able to sell both hot and cold food. The heating is faster and more even. Flexible adjustment of slots, compatible with springs, belts and pushers. Meets customers' demand of selling products with different specifications.